In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Siteground coupon code that will provide you with the Siteground discount of up to 73% off Siteground hosting. If you've been thinking about getting Siteground web hosting, this is a deal you don't want to pass on. To get your Siteground coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Now let me go over the different Siteground plans with the Siteground discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be here on the Siteground shared hosting plans page. You'll see you'll get web hosting for 73% off any of the hosting plans listed. You'll see the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll get Siteground hosting for $3.99 a month with the Startup plan, $6.69 a month for the GrowBig plan, and $10.69 a month for the GoGeek plan. Once you decide on a plan, click the Get Plan button. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Startup plan. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. Pick out a domain you'd like to have, or you can choose a domain name that you already own. On the next page, if you scroll down to the hosting services, you'll see the 12-month term is selected and states that is the best deal. If you click this, you can choose another term if you'd like. The 12-month term, you'll save the most money by getting the 73% off. Enjoy your Siteground coupon code discount of up to 73% off. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.